Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Darmeshia West, independent beauty consultant with Mary Kay. Yes. So, welcome back everyone that's been following me on my journey. We did I did a series of my clinical solutions retinization process, which took 8 weeks. So there's a series of videos of that. And now we're in our 11th week, which we're doing 9 through 16. And this is my continued journey to see more results. So I have more results that's going to come, and I'm looking forward to them. Let's see. We are in week 11. Week 11. Week 11. So it is April the 13th. It is Tuesday, April 13th, 2021. So this is my week 11. I'm going to try to do 3 applications. I'm going to do Tuesday, which is tonight. I just finished my nighttime routine. I'm going to come back on Thursday and then Saturday. So switch it up. So I wanted to show you guys, I'm not going to try to hold the videos long because they've been like 15, 20 minutes, especially when I'm doing 3 applications. So I do want to mention that I did my clinical solution on Sunday. So I'm doing every other day, even though I'm going to my new week, whatever day I fall on, that's the day I start on. Keep one day in between. I noticed that on Sunday night, I did my clinical solutions. And no, I take that back. Saturday night when I just regularly washed my face, I woke up Sunday and my face was dry here again. I had some little flakiness going on right there. And then I did my clinical solution Sunday night. And so yesterday, which was a Monday, what was Monday? What happened Monday? I just noticed that, I think I shared with you guys that how I'm feeling like a tingling, almost like a burning sensation. I know something's happened. I don't know what it is. So I wouldn't say who is burning and I get it on my face. I know something has happened. I can't explain it to you. And so I did feel that. And so yesterday, I can feel when I was outside, I can feel my face. I can feel my face tightening up, like right in the places where I felt that it was, had that sensation at. And so when I woke up this morning, which is Tuesday, all this was dry, guys. It was flakiness, especially more on this side, but it's flake. I could just flake my little finger and get it off there. And so in my routine last night, I did my gel mask because I felt like my face was dry and it needs some moisture. So I said, well, I'm going to add a gel mask and sleep in it, and hopefully that'll help some. But when I woke up this morning, I had dry patches. It was all here and right here, and I'm showing pictures, but it was dry, flaky right in here and on this side. So that is part of the process, doing the retinization or doing the retinol itself. It was called flakiness. So I don't know if that's happening because being in the sun. I'm not like out in the sun. I don't know if they have anything to do with it, or what I was feeling, the sensation here and that, shedding of the skin. I don't know, guys, but it wasn't bad. It's just some little flakiness on my skin in these 2 areas. This week, what I got to tell you, bumps. Look at here, bump. And then, I had that bump last week. See, it's turned into a scar. I told you guys I'll leave it alone, but then I got a new bump right here. So I don't bother the bumps, guys. Just let them do what they're going to do. The one on my forehead, it's gone. Did leave a spot. I really can't see. And so, once again, my face is doing great. I have no complaints. I'm enjoying incorporating this into my nighttime routine. And I'm excited. If you have any questions, just let me know. But this is week 11. I'm going to apply the application 3 times this week. So I hope you will enjoy this week's videos. What I've been doing is compiling them together. So every night that I do my clinical solutions, I just add a little video to it and then edit and put it all together. So thank you guys for being with me on this journey. We shooting for more results. Week 16. We're going all the way to week 16. I can't wait. Tonight is Thursday, and this is my second application for week 11. The clinical solutions. So this week, what's been going on since Tuesday? Yeah, applied it Tuesday. Not too much. I'm still feeling something's happening here, so I'm assuming that the product is working and it's taking away the top layer of skin for me to have the radiance and to look naturally, and also to do what it's supposed to do to help me look younger. So it's no problem. It's not like red. It's not like, oh my God, somebody help me. And it's not caused me want to stop using the product. So I'm okay with the process going forward with it. Let's see. We talked about those bumps and they're slowly going away. As always, I never bother my bumps. I say that every time because I do not. That was an old bump. And remember, we talked about that scar. You don't see it anymore. And that's what's going to happen to this right here, scarring from the bump. It's going to go away on its own. I'm not going to bother it. And that's a bump right there that I had at the beginning of the week. And one right here. Wearing that mask. It's something serious. And I noticed the only thing that I'm really noticing is that when I'm wearing the mask during the daytime, I can feel like it's tightening up right here. And I guess because I'm breathing, I don't even know, guys. But I just want to tell you how does retinol work. And these are Mary Kay words. Retinol supports the natural collagen and elastin production, improving the appearance of collagen-depleted skin. So collagen is a protein also known as skin building block that can diminish with age as well as sun exposure. Replenishing this protein is critical to achieve younger looking skin, and that's the goal. In addition, retinol stimulates surface skin cell renewal. Skin appears more as it did when you were younger. So that's what I'm trying to say in my own words, that's what's happening. My surface skin is being renewed. If that makes sense, that's what the retinol is doing. Yes, that's what it's doing. So I did take some pictures that I'll be posting. I think that was Wednesday. I did a charcoal mask to try to see would that help me out. And I did a charcoal mask one day, and then that night I did the moisture renewing gel mask. And so in the pictures, which I'll be showing, you can see in my T-zone where I'm oily at, you can see it putting all the impurities. And these bumps that I had on my face and whatever I think is happening on my cheeks, you can see it in the pictures. And most of the time when you have pimples and bumps, it will turn white. And as you notice in the pictures, you can see spots on my cheek that was turning white as well. So as up close, I don't have any bumps. So I guess something is happening there. I don't know, but it did turn white. And so that's a good thing to me, that I know that I'm not crazy. I know something is happening there. I can't tell you what's happening there, but I do know as I put the product on there, I do feel like a tingling. I can tell that my pores are open. If you have used any product before and your pores open, you put another product on there, you can tell that, hey, I'm putting something on my face. So that's what it feels like. It's not so uncomfortable that I will want to stop using it. Not at all. So like I said, we're in week 11. And I'm going to apply it again on, let's see, today is Thursday. So I'm going to apply again Saturday night. And once again, I just want to state that when you're using the retinol, we use it at nighttime. And also another tip is any other supplements that you're doing, is also great benefit to use at nighttime because our skin is renewing and doing its thing while we sleep. So that's a great time. Normally when we wash our face and put our product on there, we're outside. So great time to do your supplements at nighttime. Let it do its work while you sleep. So that is my tip for today. If you have any questions, please let me know. And Clinical Solutions. I'm excited about it. I'm going to continue on my journey up to week 16, and we are now in week 11. It is Saturday night. This is my third application for week 11. I did 3 applications this week. I did it Tuesday, Thursday, and tonight, which is Saturday night, guys. So, what can I say about this week? At the end of the 3 applications for week 11, in the other previous videos before this one, you will hear me talk about my cheek area. So I'm believing and believing that is the skin renewal process that's happening right there. So what I did tonight was I did a couple things different. So tonight I went back to diluting it together. So what I did was one pump of the Clinical Solutions and 2 pumps of this, and I did not feel the sensation that I was talking about. So I don't know if that helps, but I did not feel it. So maybe that's what I need to do. Maybe it was becoming too much. I don't know, but like I said, we're in week 11. So I did that. And another thing that I did for another couple of days, my lifting serum, I took that out. So I took that out for a couple of days. So I didn't use it tonight. I didn't use it Saturday, Friday night, Friday. So a couple of days I've been without the lifting serum. So maybe that helped as well. Let's see. My skin still looks great, guys. I think it still looks great. And I know because of the camera, it looked like I'm just like a little greasy little monkey, but I promise you I'm not. But you know I got product on my face, so. But like I said, everything's good. This side of my face. See, look at that. Even that little bump is lighter. Like it's the scarring right here. Like it's lighter than it was from the other day that we did it. And we talked about this one and this one as well. So as time progresses, hopefully next week I'm going to point back out those areas, especially those areas. I'm going to point those back out to you. But I am loving the radiance. Like right now, you can get away with it. Like I had promised you some makeup videos. Epic fail. Last weekend, guys, I just chilled out and I didn't get to do any makeup. So maybe tomorrow I'll put some makeup on, which is Sunday. Maybe I will and post pictures and then you can see them like that. But my skin, guys, look at it. And like I said, I use Time-Wise repair set, which I've been on it about to be a whole year. I started last year. I decided to upgrade for my birthday, so I've been on it almost a whole year. I got a birthday coming up. And guess how old I'm going to be, if you don't know? 47. Yes, 47 years younger. That is younger. So I'm loving it. I don't know, also, can you tell, I've been wanting my dark circles to go away, so it is lightening up as well. Especially when I'm back further, you can't really tell. But when I get close, I'm working on it, guys. So hopefully that will lighten up as well as time progresses. Now, I'm not putting it up on my eyes, guys. I just want you to know that I'm not. I'm using my, I don't know if I can even reach it, guys. I'm using my eye renewal cream. My eye renewal cream. Let me see. And soothing eye gel. So these are the two things I'm using around my eyes, and hopefully they will lighten up a little bit. No puffiness, but yes. I love how that my skin is bright and the radiance is making my eyes pop. Even though I'm sleepy, I've been out all day long. I'm trying to be grown out here, and I've been gone up ever since 6 something on a Saturday. That never happens, but we did it today. We've been out and about. But clinical solutions for the set, it is $120. $120. As you see, I have been using a lot of my Common Milk. I told you that I put it on in the daytime as well, doing my morning routine. And so basically what I'm doing now is I'm adding it in. I think 3 times is enough for me. I'm sweating above my lips as well. But 3 times is enough for me to get it in till I feel comfortable with it without trying to stretch it. 3 times is great, guys. It's just like any other supplement that you add in. You can use up to 2 to 3 times. 2 to 3 times a week. So this is working for me, adding the clinical solutions in, and that way on other days I can do my other supplements that that I have with my Mary Kay products. And so it's working out. In my schedule, it's working out. So tonight is Saturday, and because I'm leaving a day in between. So tomorrow, which is Sunday, if I want to do any other type of supplement like my charcoal mask, my renewing gel mask, that will be the day that I would do it. So I'm going to probably do one of those, whichever one. I try to keep up track with what I'm doing during the week, because with the charcoal mask and the renewing gel mask, you can use those 2 to 3 times too, but as you know, as you feel needed to. But if you have any questions concerning clinical solutions, I'm sold, guys. I don't know about anybody else, but I'm sold. I'm loving the results. I really am loving the results. I don't have no complaints. I don't have none at all, guys. So let me know if you have any questions. I will be more than happy to answer you about our new clinical solutions. These make great gifts, guys. Birthdays, we got Mother's Day coming up. Please let me know if you would like to purchase this. You also can always click on the link in the description to place your order for the clinical solutions and any other video that I posted. If I'm talking about a certain product, the product and the name of it will be a link. You can just click and it goes straight to my website. As always, guys, thank you so much for staying with me on this journey. Week 11, we're going to go into week 12 on next week, and I hope to see you in week 12. Thank you. As promised, here is my Sunday look. I did my makeup. So I have on some blush and mascara, Chroma Fusion eyeshadow. I have on a new pink lipstick. Let me know if you like this look.